How you doing, guys? Welcome to another episode. In this episode I have this 2011 Toyota Camry. I'm gonna put LEDs on the headlights. Zuzzee, this is the new LEDs that I get, H11s. I'm gonna put them on one side so we can see the difference. If you saw my previous episode, I did the fog lights on my RAV4. On this one, it requires H11s, so we're gonna do the headlights. Zip tight, some instructions, white gloves, and this is the LEDs. For the fog lights, I already told you what you need to use on those, so I'm gonna put the episode right here so you can go and see it. But for the headlights, this is what you need. On the headlight, the sign, this one has fan and it's much thinner, so it's gonna be really bright. 10,000 lumens for these ones. Construction is well made, as you can see, and really compact design. It's not gonna be really bulky. Some other LEDs, they have the fan really big, but these ones, they're not that big and they're gonna fit just perfectly. In here on the driver's side, we have the bulb right here. What I like to do is press on the top first and disconnect the light. That's the connector, and then twist the bulb and pull it out. H11, that's what we're replacing today. Installation is really simple. Same process, twist it and get it in place. If you see right there, the bulb is in place. This connector has two cables. One is white and the other one is white with black strip lines. So positive is gonna be on the white and the negative is gonna be on the black and white cable. Okay, positive on this side, negative on that side. It's connected, and now before I put the zip ties to secure the cable in place, I'm gonna turn the lights on to see how they look. You can tell the difference. This side looks amazing versus the stock side. Another thing that I'm gonna test on this episode is if the daytime running lights and the automatic lights work. I don't see any flickering on the lights, so it looks like we don't need resistors. But as soon as I start the car, I wanna see if it's gonna stay like that or it's gonna start flickering. So let's try that. In this side, I already connect the light. You just put it on. Twist it and lock it in place. For the next step, I'm gonna turn on the car, put it on drive, and let's see the automatic headlights and see if everything works. As you can see, everything works. They're super bright. Now I'm gonna shut the doors to see how bright it is. Okay, so I close the door. It looks a little bit darker in here. You can see the lights super bright. Okay guys, that's all that I have for this episode. LEDs, they're gonna be in the description if you wanna get yours. Super bright, 10,000 lumens, well made. The quality is right there. So I hope you like this little episode, guys. If you have any questions, please comment down below. I'm gonna be happy to help. Thanks for watching, guys. Don't forget to subscribe and see you in the next one. Peace.